Hello, I'm Klumperink from Twente University, and I'm the technical manager of the 6G-REFERENCE project. And we have here several scenarios, several demos that we are working on. They are all related to a so-called factory hall scenario, where here you see a multi-floor factory hall scenario. There could also be a production hall. And we are using that scenario to explore possibilities of distributed MIMO, where we use multiple radio units to transmit jointly to UEs. So this becomes then a cell-free distributed MIMO system that gives better coverage, better throughput, better density. And we are exploring wireless nodes where there is not always a fiber access available to make this happen.